Well, good afternoon, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and east upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, May 18th, 2013. We'll take a look at our upcoming hazards. We are expecting at least scattered thunderstorms to develop across the area Sunday night, lasting periodically right through Wednesday. Now, through time, the better thunderstorm potential should sag south, becoming centered over northern lower Michigan Monday night through Wednesday, with just general showers across eastern upper Michigan expected through that time. As far as impacts are concerned, of course, any thunderstorms will be capable of producing very heavy rainfall, but the best potential for any severe weather should remain off to our south and southwest through the period. Taking a look at our current weather map, you can see a stationary front centered from the Ohio Valley up to developing low pressure over the north central plains. Now, Gulf of Mexico moisture streaming north of this front is kicking off an area of showers across the northwest lakes, some of which is spilling over into eastern upper Michigan as a few very light showers and sprinkles. And that should be the trend through the overnight, with northern and lower remaining dry and some isolated sprinkles and light showers continuing across eastern upper Michigan. However, through the course of time, the better potential rain should shift off to the north. And this will leave a mainly dry Sunday, with low pressure remaining slow to organize over the central plains, stationary front staying put as a secondary cold front begins to drop south out of Canada. Once again, much of the day will be dry, however, cannot rule out a few isolated interior showers across northern lower Michigan late Sunday afternoon. Once again, that should be the exception more than the rule, with most areas remaining dry. Potential for a very warm day with highs on Sunday across northern lower Michigan, perhaps up into the lower 80s. Of course, slightly cooler near the Great Lakes shorelines and across eastern upper Michigan. Not a whole lot of change through Monday. Low pressure staying centered in the central plains, with the cold front slowly sagging south into the northern Great Lakes. This will continue periodic showers and thunderstorm threat across the area, some of which may produce locally heavy rainfall, and these trends will continue right through the middle portions of the week before precipitation finally ends later on the day Thursday. Now, there could be quite a bit of rainfall. You can see here on the latest Weather Prediction Center 7-day precipitation forecast lasting right through Friday night, with most of this falling once again Sunday night through Wednesday, with rainfall amounts on the order of 1 to 2 inches across the area, perhaps locally higher with any thunderstorm activity, with heavier rain just centered off to the northwest of us across parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota. You see on our weather graphic tonight, once again mainly dry, a few isolated light rain showers and sprinkles across eastern upper Michigan, and overnight lows mainly in the 40s. As far as upcoming hazards are concerned, once again repeating about the thunderstorms from late Sunday night through Wednesday, some of which will produce locally heavy rainfall, but the main severe weather threat should remain centered off to our south and southwest through the period. Now, this concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. Your next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.